Hi friends, we will read another poem from Mahabharata, the great epic that we have. This again is about very great people who changed the course in history. There are some people who are products of their time. Some great leaders emerge as products of their time. And there are also people who create history. In ordinary times also they create history. So we are talking about this dilemma, whether a person is a product of his time or whether a king can change the course of history. So finally, what is message to us? We are not kings anyway. The message to us is whatever is in our own limited sphere, how best we can do, how best we can innovate, how best we can be creative. So that is what we can learn from this. I will read the shloka, I will explain the shloka, then I will come to a few words here in the relating to grammar, and then we will wind up repeating the shloka. Let us read the shloka. Kalo va karanam rajnyah
Kalo va karanam rajnyah
Raja va kalakaranam
Raja va kalakaranam
Iti te samshayo ma bhud
Iti te samshayo ma bhut
Raja kalasya karanam.
Raja kalasya karanam.
So finally in this poem, the speaker, the person who is there saying this in Mahabharata, he is concluding that Raja means the person. He can create history. In fact, this is a passage where the lady Kunti, the elderly lady Kunti, who is the mother of all the Pandavas. We know that there are two groups of people in Mahabharata between whom the war takes place. That is one group, that is the Pandavas, who stand on the path of righteousness, the Kauravas, who stand for adharma or unrighteousness. Of course, these two are cousins. So one group of cousins, they have grabbed the property which is which is due for the other group. So that is how that battle takes place. So here, this Pandavas, who are the righteous people, they were in fact, they were sent to forests and then they suffered a lot of humiliation and all that. At one point of time when they were humiliated, it is their mother who consoles them. Their mother, her name is Kunti. She consoles them with this advice. You yourself can create history. Don't be depressed. So from that point of view, she has given an advice. So if you see here, if you see the first line, Kalova Karanam Rajnyah, the question is Kala means the time, Karanam Rajnyah, is it the cause for a king? That means, is the king a product of his time? In other words, is the king a product of his time? The second line is Rajava Kala Karanam, is the Raja or the king the cause for the times? That means, can he create history? Can he chalk out a new chapter in history? So that is what it means. So if we see history, we find very great people. There are some people who are products of their time because there are certain extraordinary situations. For example, if we just recall our own, say for example, independence struggle. Independence struggle, we have seen that prior to that, various Europeans had come and then ultimately the British people, they captured the whole India. And then there was so much of, exploitation, so many, problems the Indians were encountering. And then because of the bad economic policies of the British, there were millions of people died in Bengal, for example, Bengal famine, if you see, it is a very, very pitiable, thing, which was a direct outcome of the oppressive British policies. So like that, lot of oppression was taking place in the name of civilizing people. So the British people said, oh, it is the white man's burden to civilize all of you. But then in that name, there was a lot of oppression, lot of exploitation, lot of looting, plundering was going on. So at that time, so there were several leaders who came up from very, very modest background. They are not very great leaders. They are not warriors. They came from modest background. And their only strength was their moral capacity, their moral uprightness, and their firmness in that morality. See, if you take a man like Gandhi, he is from an ordinary middle class Baniya family. And then he became a great leader by virtue of his steadfastness, by virtue of his firmness on his moral ground. So he is a product of his time. Then suppose somebody else, for example, if you take some American history or something like that, American history, if you see, it is again full of lot many oppressions and atrocities and things like that. There was slavery, the most despicable thing. Hundreds of thousands of people were physically abducted, physically carried from the African countries by all the Europeans, and then they were put into slavery. And then at that time, at least some people are there. There are some good people. Anyway, sattva, rajas, tamoguna are there everywhere. So somebody who is having that sattva predominance, predominantly sattva quality, somebody like Abraham Lincoln, he was responsible for the emancipation of abolishing that slavery. So like that, he is again a product of his time. An extraordinary man in an extraordinary situation, facing a great challenge, facing a great social problem, then he shows his mettle. So like that, you see, being on the other hand, you can also find some other people. For example, Sattva Guna is there in a man like Gandhi, a man like Abraham Lincoln. But then there is another type of Guna, Rajo Guna, you find in another type of leader. Maybe somebody like Mao. Mao again was a great scholar. Mao was, his only background was he was a great scholar. And he was able to lead the whole society. He was able to lead the society, and then he led the society by a revolutionary means. By revolutionary means, by a lot of violence. Revolution means a lot of violence and all that. The same thing happened in some other places also. For example, in Cuba, Fidel Castro, he also led a revolution. So like that, there, it is not Sattva Guna which is predominant, but it is Rajo Guna which is predominant. But they are also products of their time. There were certain trying situations, trying circumstances where these people, they showed their leadership. Then if you come to the other side, who is, the people who changed the course of history. The second type, that is Rajava Kalakarana. That also is possible. That also, if we see, in normal times also, there are people who have, if you see Greek history, a person like Alexander, there were no great challenging situations. A young man came to power suddenly, and then a young man with an ambitious spirit, and a lot of well-trained army. So he wanted to invade and conquer the whole world. He went about, he came to India also. And of course, unfortunately, he died somewhere en route on his way back. But then had he lived for a long time, we do not know what would have happened. So in history, you find lot many people like that who have created such history. So there are two possibilities. One is somebody, an important man, can be a product of his time, and somebody can also create history. So, but then here, the mother of these Pandavas, that lady Kunti, she says, no, you can create history. So you can create history, you have to you have to assert, and then you have to get back your kingdom. So that is what she says in that. So the message, what is the message for all of us? The message is that we are not kings anyway. The message is that in whatever sphere we are working, we have to see how best we can do, how best we can innovate, how best we can be creative. So this is the message we can take from this. So I will just read the shloka once. If we see, Kalova Karanam Rajnyaha. Kalova, Kalaha Va. This Va is a question tag. Rajnyaha Kalaha Karanam Va. If you put it in the form of a question, Va, Kim, etc., they are question tags. Tvam Gachasi Va. If you say, if I say Tvam Gachasi Va, it means, are you going? So it is like that. Va. Tvam Gachasi Kim. I can also use the word Kim. I can also say Gachasi Va. Kalova Karanam Rajnyaha. Rajnyaha Karanam Kalaha Va. Kalaha plus Va becomes Kalova. As I said, a euphonic change. Then Rajava Kalakaranam. Raja Kalasya Karanam. Kalakaranam means Kalasya Karanam Rajava. Or is the king responsible for his times? That is what it means. That is, can the king check out his own history? Then Itite Samshayo Mabhut. You don't speculate on this. Don't have any doubt on this. Itite, to you, Samshayaha Mabhut. Let there not be any doubt on this point. Raja Kalasya Karanam. A king can create his own history. King can create his own times. So that is what it means. Basically, to encourage her sons, Kunti actually narrates a story of some other person, and then he draws this particular conclusion that Yeah, a king can assert himself and then he can create history. So that is what is the shloka. I will read the shloka. Kalo va karanam rajnah
कालो वा कारणं राज्ञः
raja va kalakaranam
राजा वा कालकारणम्
iti te samshayo ma bhut.
इति ते संशयो मा भूत्.
Here you can say mabhut or mabhud, you can say because the actual word is mabhut ta, not da. We can also write da because when it mixes with raja, mabhut plus raja does not become mabhut raja but mabhud raja. So that ta gets changed into da. So that is why here you can use the word mabhud also. You can say mabhut. Kalo iti te samshayo mabhut.
इति ते संशयो मा भूत्.
Raja kalasya karanam.
राजा कालस्य कारणम्.
Fine.